Welcome to this gentle morning yoga flow designed to help you wake up, get energized, and ready for the day ahead. Let's begin in a comfortable, easy seated position. You can sit crisscross legs or kneeling over the shins, whichever is feeling comfortable to you this morning. Sit up tall, feel your sit bones ground down into the earth, shoulders stack over the hips, crown reaches up. On an inhale, sweep the arms up overhead, find a long spine. On your exhale, place the right palm down to ground. The left hand reaches towards the right side. Side stretch on your left side body. Inhale, both arms come up overhead. Exhale, left hand plants. The right arm reaches towards the left side. Side stretch on the right side body. Inhale, both arms sweep up overhead. Sit up tall, long spine. Exhale, twist right. Left hand behind. Right hand behind, left hand in front. Inhale, both arms sweep up overhead. Exhale, twist right. Right palm in front, left palm behind. Inhale to come back to center. And we'll meet in a neutral tabletop position. Shoulders stacked over the wrists, hips stacked over the knees. We'll take a few rounds of cat-cow together. On an inhale, cow, belly lowers, gaze forward. Exhale, cat, round spine, press the ground away. Inhale, cow, belly lowers, gaze forward. Exhale, cat, press ground away. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Extend your left leg out long behind you. And begin to shift forward and back, getting a nice stretch in your left hamstring, left sole of your foot. Bring your left leg out to the left side of your mat. Set your hips back any amount. Stretch in your left inner thigh. Inhale to shift forward back into a tabletop. Left leg out long behind you. Bend your left knee. We'll draw big circles with your leg. Switch directions of your circle. And place left knee back down to ground. Extend your right leg out long behind you and shift forward and back, getting a stretch in your left hamstring and sole of left foot, sole of right foot. And lift your right foot up and off the ground, extend it over to the right side, place your foot down to the ground, sit your hips back any amount, stretch in your right inner thigh. Inhale to shift forward, extend your right leg back behind you, bend the right knee, and draw big circles with the knee. Switch directions of your circle. And place your right knee back down to the ground. Bring your knees wide, heels together, set your hips back any amount, child's pose. Arms reach up towards top of mat, rest forehead down on ground, and shift your hips from left to right. Shift forward into a tabletop position. Come down all the way to your bellies. Legs extend out long behind you. Hands plant underneath shoulders. Inhale, Cobra. Head, neck, chest lifts up and off the ground. Baby back bend. Inhale to lift a little higher. Exhale, slowly lower onto your pillow hands. Bend your knees. Drop your feet from left to right. Windshield wiper at the legs. Legs extend out long behind you. Hands plant underneath shoulders. Inhale, Cobra. Inhale to lift a little higher. Exhale. Release all the way down onto pillow hands. Windshield wiper out the legs to release the low spine. Extend legs out long behind you, tuck your back toes. Push yourself up into a tabletop position. Thread the needle, left arm reaches up, gaze past the fingertips on the bottom of your exhale. Thread your left arm underneath, right. Left shoulder, left temple comes down to the ground. Option to stay here or crawl your right hand forward to get a little deeper in this twist. Crawl right hand back underneath the right shoulder. Unthread your left arm back up. Place it back down, tabletop, other side. Right hand reaches up, gaze past the fingertips. Exhale, thread your right arm underneath left. Right shoulder, right temple might come down to the ground. Option to stay here or crawl your left hand up towards top of mat, getting a little deeper in this twist. Crawl your left hand back underneath, left shoulder, unthread the needle. Reach your arm back up towards sky, place it back down underneath right shoulder. Tuck your back toes, downward facing dog. Sit the hips up and pedal out your feet. Bend one knee, straighten the other leg, and switch it out a few times. Shake out your head, yes, no, yes, no. Lift your left leg out and back behind you, three-legged dog. Exhale, left foot to the outside of your left hand, lizard lunge. Option to stay here or lower down onto forearms. Come back down onto your palms, shoulders stacked over the wrists. Bring your right knee down to the ground. Come onto the top part of your right knee. Bend your back leg. With your opposite hand, reach for your back foot. Getting a nice stretch in our right quad. Release your back foot, hand plants underneath your left shoulder, tuck your back toes. Send your foot back, shake out that left leg. And left foot to meets the right, downward facing dog. Right leg out and back behind, three-legged dog. On your exhale, right foot to the outside of right hand, lizard lunge. Option to stay here or lower down onto forearms. Place hands underneath shoulders. Gently place the top of your left knee down to ground. Bend your back leg. With your opposite hand, reach for your back foot. Getting a stretch in your left quad. Gently release, foot comes back down, hand plants underneath shoulders. Three-legged dog, right leg out and back, shake it out. And right foot meets the left, downward facing dog. Inhale, come up to your tiptoes, look towards the top of your mat and take baby steps all the way up to the top. And we'll meet lying down on our back. Bridge pose, soles of feet pressed down into the ground. On an inhale, lift the hips up. Bring your knees a little bit closer together, engage through the glutes and inner thighs. Stretching out the hip flexors. And exhale, slowly lower all the way back down. Once more, soles of feet press down into ground. Inhale to lift the hips up. Bridge pose. Exhale, slowly release all the way back down. Bend the knees, soles of feet point up. Happy baby, grab for bottoms of your feet, your calves or thighs. Begin a rock from left to right, getting a nice lower back massage. Bring your legs together, knees bent to give yourself a big hug. Wrap your arms around your legs. And bring your hands to the back of thighs. Begin to rock back and forth across length of spine. Build some momentum. Come up into a comfortable, easy seat. You can sit cross-legged or kneeling over the legs, whichever is feeling good in your body this morning. Sit bones plant into the earth, shoulders stacked over the hips, crown reaches up, sit up tall, find length in your spine. On an inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, twist right. Inhale to come back to center, find a long spine. Exhale, twist left. Inhale to come back to center, long spine. Exhale, right hand plants, left hand reaches towards the right. Inhale, both arms up overhead. Find a length in the spine. Exhale, left hand plants, right arm reaches towards the left. Inhale, back to center, both arms up overhead. Exhale, hands come through heart center, palms rest on knees or thighs. Sit up tall. We'll take 3 rounds of breath. We'll take 3 rounds of breath together to close out our practice. First, exhale all the air out of your mouth. Big breath in through the nose, fill up the belly. Exhale, open mouth, sigh. Big breath in, fill up. Exhale, release. Last one, biggest breath yet of your day. Exhale, let it all go. Take a moment to check in with your body and notice how you're feeling after some intentional breath and movement. I hope you found some more energy after this practice. Great work today. Thank you so much for sharing your time and energy with me. I'll see you in the next class.